Welcome! In today's video, we will be giving you a complete walkthrough of the Boozelator 5000 Smart Breathalyzer Vending Machine, the most advanced bar breathalyzer vending machine on the planet. The Boozelator is a pay-per-use breathalyzer that is mainly installed on the walls of bars, pubs, and nightclubs to allow patrons to test their breath alcohol content for a fee. Notice the smart LCD advertising monitor that walks the user through the testing process. There is a backlit LED breathalyzer sign to draw attention to your Boozelator. Bars, pubs, and nightclubs are dimly lit, so this signage is crucial to increase the usage to your machine. You can customize the backlit LED by choosing from 12 colors and 4 different animation options. The Boozelator has a rotating LCD advertising screen for selling advertisements, creating awareness for higher usage, and walking the user through the testing process. There is a free USB charging port for patrons to charge their phones and other portable devices. Just one more way to draw attention for higher usage and to increase advertising value. There is a disclaimer on the front of the machine relieving you and the club owner from any liability and warns that you should never operate a vehicle after consuming any amount of alcohol. For high security, the Boozelator uses double locking doors to keep your cash and machine safe. The machine is steel constructed and powder coated for lifelong durability. For ultimate protection, the entire front of the Boozelator is protected with a commercial grade PMMA plus PVC material to prevent from physical and liquid damage. This strong material is silk screened for a high-class finish. Silk screening is a classy alternative to standard vending machines that use vinyl wrapping that is known to peel. The Boozelator comes standard with a bill acceptor and a removable cash bin for easy collection. With this standard option, you simply remove the bin and sort through your cash. You can upgrade to a bill stacker that has a higher bill acceptance rate and stacks bills nice and neat for easy, envelope-ready collection. You can upgrade to a credit card acceptor that works in conjunction with the bill acceptor. You can upgrade to this option with your purchase or aftermarket for the same price. For international customers, we offer a coin acceptor. In short, the Boozelator is adaptable to any country's currency. Take a look inside the Boozelator. Notice that all parts have their own dedicated position, so any part can be swapped out using only a screwdriver or a wrench in a few minutes of your time. This means the Boozelator is built to last a lifetime since all parts are interchangeable. The onboard timer allows the machine to rest at night to save the life of your machine as well as the bar's electricity. The Boozelator uses disposable drinking straws for a cheap, clean mouthpiece, and straws are loaded from the inside of the Boozelator to keep them sanitary. We have uniquely engineered a straw dispenser to truly dispense one straw at a time to eliminate waste and make maintenance easier. Competitor and prior models typically dispensed 2 to 3 straws at a time due to poor engineering, which means the less straws dispensed, the less you have to visit your machine to refill them. You can also upgrade to an auto straw dispenser, which is another unique Boozelator feature, which dispenses exactly 1 straw at a time electronically with every vend. It is an easy aftermarket upgrade using only a screwdriver. Any normal drinking straw will work for a breath test, so while you are welcome to purchase biodegradable straws from us for less than 1 penny each, you can source them locally. For instance, if you go through 2,000 straws per year, it would cost you less than $20 a year in straws, and that is your biggest expense. Notice the non-resettable counter. This counts every bill, coin, or credit card that goes into your machine, so you know exactly how much money is in there without having to count, using simple arithmetic. The counter is non-resettable, so you can audit employees to keep them honest. The main PCB is the heart of the machine. Everything plugs in and out of here and is your main control center. Here is where you can adjust the amount you want to charge per test, $1, $2, $3, $4, or $5 per test. The silver module on the right is the platinum fuel cell sensor. Fuel cell technology is the worldwide standard in law enforcement testing. The fuel cell sensor is built to last 2 to 5 years before needing to be replaced and can be swapped out in about 60 seconds using only a screwdriver and a plug to the circuit board. Calibrating the fuel cell sensor. Put the machine into test mode by flipping these switches. Blow into the machine using this or a similar calibrator along with the calibration solution. Blow into the machine for about 2 seconds and your calibration is complete in just over 1 minute. All you need is one breath simulator to calibrate as many machines as you own. This one device can last a lifetime and can be purchased on our online store. Calibration solution costs as little as about 25 cents per machine. We recommend calibrating the sensor every 500 tests. Next, we will run through how to upload ads on the Boozelator. For the standard Boozelator, advertisements are loaded to a flash drive via the USB port of your computer using free software. You can also upgrade your Boozelator with a Wi-Fi system, which has some great advantages, including sending advertisements to all of your machines remotely from any computer. Log on to your Wi-Fi account to view your machines online. Click any and all of the machines you wish to update, choose which playlist or advertising campaign you wish to assign to those machines, and your machines are updated within seconds to your new advertising campaign. Other great Wi-Fi features: update advertisements remotely, monitor your sales to see how much money is in each machine, monitor your straw level so you know when it is time to visit your machines to refill them. To take a breath test, simply insert payment, grab a clean straw from below, and follow the on-screen instructions. The Boozelator Smart Monitor will walk you through the testing process. When prompted, blow into the machine for about 2 seconds, and the Boozelator will analyze your results and display them on the large advertising screen. Notice during every breath test, it will ask the user if they waited 15 minutes after their last sip of alcohol. This is a requirement of any breathalyzer test to work properly, as any alcohol residue that is not digested from your breath may add points to your results. Notice that the machine will give a warning not to drive with each result.
You are over the limit.
Even at 0.00%, the Boozelator will warn not to drive or operate machinery. And at the lowest alcohol reading possible, at 0.01%, it will also warn not to drive or operate machinery. So just to be safe and protect you from any liability, we recommend that nobody ever drive after consuming any amount of alcohol. You can easily program and trigger specialty ads to populate when somebody tests a certain level, such as a taxi company to populate when somebody blows over the legal limit. All result screens are completely customizable by you, using free software. Some people like to put witty or funny sayings with each result to entice repeat usage. You can add your own voice or music to any of the screens and can be a great way to increase usage by enticing users to visit the machine later to see what will pop up with their next result. The Boozelator is mainly installed in alcohol-serving establishments, such as bars, pubs, and nightclubs. Some people even keep a traveling unit for setting up at festivals, tailgating events, or party rentals. We have portable stands and car adapters for traveling units. Hanging the Boozelator is about the difficulty level of mounting a flat-screen television on the wall. Many people ask how a vending route works. You own the machines, contact local bars, pubs, and clubs for placement by offering this machine to them free for their customers to use. You collect cash generated from the machine and sell advertisements to local and/or national businesses. Each Boozelator comes ready to use and install out of the box. You get 400 straws, a calibrated sensor, and mounting hardware. As a new customer, you will receive a startup package with your first Boozelator purchase. The startup package includes a placement guide for reference of how to find and secure locations for your machines, an advertising guide for contacting and securing advertisers, including suggested sales pitches, marketing materials, suggested pricing for the different advertising positions, and a contract for closing the deal, and more. Easy mounting instructions for any wall type. Mounting is similar to hanging a flat-screen television on a wall. You gain access to the Members Corner of our website, have access to online video tutorials for setting up your machine, creating ads, and more. You will receive free one-on-one remote training sessions, free live technical and customer support for life. Please don't hesitate to call, email, or visit us online, and a member from our professional and friendly staff will be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.